Another problem regarding the contour integrals. As again as compute integral over c f of z dz, where c is the arc, and from z is equal to minus 1 minus I to z is equal to 1 plus I along the curve y is equal to x cube, and f of y is equal to 1 if y less than 0 and 4y. This is 4y. This is 4y if y greater than 0. So first we'll try to draw the diagram and the curve. So what is that now? Minus 1 minus I. Minus 1 minus I means minus 1 comma 1. So therefore this is minus 1 comma minus 1. And one more curve is 1 plus I means 1 comma 1. It will be like 1 comma 1 like this. Now this is the curve which we have. So I may take the curve in the form of like this. Like this. This is the curve which we have. Okay. Okay. Now this is the curve which we have. This is the curve which is passing. This is 1 plus I. I may write this as 1 plus I. I may write this as the point over here 1 minus I. This is x axis, y axis, and this is origin 0. Now what are the given that we'll write? Solution. Solution is from z to z, z minus 1 minus I is nothing but arc which is we have taken, and the curve. So given curve is y is equal to x cube. X cube he has given. So I may write as equation z is equal to z of t, as you know already, x of t plus I y of t. Okay, this is how we can take the same as it is equation. Now since it is nothing but y of y, if you take x of t is nothing but t, you will be getting a y as t cube. So I may write as z of t is equal to z of t is equal to I may write t plus I t cube, because if you take x of t as t, if you take x of t is nothing but t, then y you will be getting as t cube. You will get t cube. So what's the equation of the curve? You got t plus I t cube. Now what is that now? This is not f of I, this is f of z. Okay, that is f of f of y itself only. Sorry. Now if at all I want to write f of z of t, I am writing now. Now f of z of t, if I write, I may write that 1. Okay, if I want to take 1 if y of t is nothing but less than 0, then I may write as 4, I may write this as 4 y of t. This is y of t. So 4 y of t if y of t greater than 0. Now these are the values which we got. So therefore this I can write in the form of 1 if y is less than 0. What is y of t? Y of t is nothing but what? T cube. So I may write as t cube if y greater than 0. These are the two values which we can able to deduce from this. Okay. So this is what we got. Now let us solve this one, and for that we need to find out the z dash of t. Z dash of t you will get from here. So therefore what is that now? Integral. So first I will write z dash of t. Z dash of t you will be getting this as 1 plus 3it square. I will get from here z dash of t. Now as well as I have to go for the total integral. Total curve f of z dz is nothing but if I take I may write as, I may take it as this as a and this as b. If I take AO plus AO f of z dz plus OB f of z dz. Now these are the two conditions, two curves. If I add, then I will get the total value. Okay. Now this is from minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. F of z of t, f of z of t, z dash of t dt plus again this is 0 to 1 with a positive 1, 0 to 1. This is also f of z of t, z dash of t dt. Okay, this is how we got, right? Now this is minus 1 to 0. F of z of t, because this is less than 0, y less than 0. So y less than 0, what you got here is 1. So I may take this as 1. Z dash of t. Now this is z dash of t. Z dash of t is 1 plus 3it square. dt plus again 0 to 1. This is 0 to 1. This is f of z of t. F of z of t is nothing but 0 to 1. It's a greater than 0. Y greater than 0. What will get? 4t cube you will get. So 4t cube. What is z dash of t? Z dash of t is nothing but again 1 plus 3i t square dt. You got this one. So therefore, what is the answer now? If you can calculate the both the values. Now this is minus 1 to 0. This is 1 plus 1 dt. Okay, plus 3i minus 1 to 0 t square dt. Just multiplying one inside, I am writing like this. Plus again, if you multiply inside 0 to 1, 4t cube dt plus 3i 0 to 1 t square dt. Just dividing, reshuffling the things now. Now this is t you will get. T means again 0 minus 0 minus of minus 1. You will be getting as plus 1. Plus directly I am writing. This is 3i. This is t cube by 3 under minus 1 to 0 plus this is 4 into t power 4 by 4 0 to 1 plus 3i t cube by 3 under 0 to 1. Okay, so this is 1 plus 3 gets cancelled. You will get 0 and again this minus. So minus of minus 1 whole cube. Again you will get minus. So that becomes plus. So I plus I will get plus 4 gets cancelled. You will get only 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. This 3 gets cancelled. You will get again I plus I. So you will be getting as 2 plus I. Sorry. I may write as 2 plus 2i. So you will be getting as 2 into 1 plus I. 2 into 1 plus I is the answer. Let me check whether it is 2 plus 3i. Where we missed that. 2 plus 3i it seems a cube. 4. Yeah. This we have not multiplied 4. This becomes as 12. This is 12. So therefore this is 4 you will get. So 4i you will get. So this becomes as 4i. So therefore 4i. Yeah. This is 4t cube t power 4 by 4 and this is 4 3 is 12 and this becomes as 12i t power 5 dt t cube and t square. So this is 0 to 1. This is 12i t power 6 by 6 you will get again 0 to 1. So therefore you will be getting as 6 2's. So we will be getting as 2i here. Okay, it's not for this is 2i you will get. So therefore this is again you will be getting as 2 plus 3i is the answer. Now this is the way to do the problem of the previous one. Now the one which we have got. Okay, the next problem we'll do in the next video. Okay, thank you.